Alright, so what's up guys? Honestly, I was thinking about not making this video and just coming back to the channel, uploading some more videos. But it's been a while. It's actually been over 1 year since my last video, and yeah, you're probably wondering where I've been and why I haven't been uploading. Well, have you? Does anyone actually even care? Alright, actually the top comment on my last video was idea upload video. So congratulations, buddy. I am actually uploading a video. Someone literally said 1 year ago, dead rose emoji. Someone said you don't have to upload. I think we're all just wondering where you've been. We miss you, Tap. Hope everything's okay. Yeah, what a nice guy. But dang, I kind of feel bad now. I mean, not only has it been 1 year since I last uploaded, but realistically speaking, it's been like 3 or 4 years since I've last consistently uploaded. I mean, it's genuinely just been so long. And oh my gosh, my face reveal video 4 years ago. I'm honestly not sure if I should watch this right now, but yo, this is when I hit 100k subs that I did a face reveal. Okay, wait, watch this. Let's see how different I look. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh.
Hello.
Bro, that's me. Oh my gosh. When was this posted? 2020. Oh my gosh, bro. That was 5 years ago, basically, at this point. I was 16 in this, so now, obviously, if we do the math, that's 21. I'm 21 now. So dang, bro. It's been quite a while since I've genuinely, consistently uploaded on this channel. And now, obviously, since then, a lot has changed on Roblox as well. I mean, we got 3 games right now with over 1 million players at 3:32 a.m. on a Sunday. Like, bro, I don't think even a single game had hit 1 million CCU ever back in 2020. So it's actually just insane to see how much Roblox has changed in general. I mean, bro, even Roblox Studio looks different. Honestly, not too much different, but this is Roblox Studio back then, and this is Roblox Studio today. They changed the whole top bar up here, so it looks a little weird. And dang, bro, back then I was still living in Florida, of course. I don't live in this apartment anymore. I live in a different house now. But yeah, a lot has really changed. Back then, I don't think I'd ever had talked to a girl in my entire life, and now I'm a whole father, so that's quite a big change as well. I mean, one cool thing that's still pretty active is the Discord server I created 5 years ago as well. Discord.gg/rodevs. We have over 121,000 members in there, which is crazy. I'm not really super active in this server anymore. Well, at least I wasn't, but it managed to run well without me, so that's awesome. Big props to everyone on the team there. Matter of fact, just for this video, I'm low-key considering making a little announcement. I'm actually gonna say, should I return to the TheDevKing? And I'm gonna go ahead and hit @ here. Oh gosh, hopefully people don't get mad at me for this one. All right, let's see if anyone actually replies or anything. And uh-oh, someone said hi. What? Hi? Oh crap, bro. I'm not gonna lie, making a ping might have not been the best idea. Oh, okay, yeah, they're getting mad at me right now. Hey, but some people are saying yes. Okay, that's a W. And yo, what is this guy saying? What the heck? Anyways, maybe making a ping was kind of a bad idea there. That's low-key my bad. And yo, one of my OG friends actually used to be in a lot of videos on this channel. I don't know if you guys remember him or not. He was actually in this video right here where I deleted the chat filter. He just said, yo, @tap, yes, return to the TheDevKing, nerd. Okay, so I might actually have to do it, boys. Now, to fully answer the question on where I've been, I know this video's kind of been all over the place, but to be honest, in a way, I've kind of just been living my life. I feel like ever since I was a kid, I hopped on video games. Then I hopped on Roblox when I was about 13 or so. And since then, I lived on my computer all the way until I was like 18. I barely ever left my house. I never really did anything. Then once I turned 18, I actually got my own apartment. I moved to Miami, Florida. I lived there for about a year or so. Then I moved to Vegas, which is where I actually currently live. But besides that, I've basically just been uploading on different YouTube channels. If you guys don't know, I have a channel called Tapwater and Tappy, which are a little more gaming focused and not as much about, making games and doing development related stuff. So I was kind of focused on those. I also made a survival game here called Stranded, which didn't really do the best. Got about 2.6 million visits, but it was a very fun project and cool to make, as a survival game on Roblox was always like my dream. And then just recently I saw this video. Someone said, is Tapwater the TheDevKing? And bro basically cracked the code. And if he puts my videos together, he goes, the TheDevKing. Okay, yeah, that's me right there. And then he said, heard that, listen to this. And he goes, Tapwater. Okay, yeah, so after I saw that and this kid cracked the code, I was like, you know what? I kind of miss the TheDevKing. It's been so long since I've put effort effort into this channel and made cool videos that were genuinely really fun to make. I think at the time I just got kind of overwhelmed by how long the videos took. Some of these videos I've been working on for days on end, just literally coding in my room alone at nighttime just to finally upload one video. And I guess comparing that to gaming, it was kind of like, well, gaming you can do for 30 minutes and upload a video, but with the TheDevKing it could take, you know, multiple hours, days, sometimes even weeks just to make one video. Now obviously I've realized that it can be worth it, and it's just a lot more enjoyable than playing the same game over and over again. I've realized that lately I want to focus on making games again, and I want to focus on making cool videos for people. Obviously, with how big Roblox has gotten lately, there's also a lot of new people trying to get into Roblox development, and if they haven't already, they're going to want to, obviously, soon in the near future. So I want to be able to create content for everyone that's interested and kind of dig deep into my roots again. I'm not going to lie, I've also just had so many people commenting, messaging me, basically thanking me, saying without my tutorials, they wouldn't have been able to script, which is super cool. Then I was watching videos and saw myself get mentioned. Like this guy made a video that said, the only thing you need to learn how to script, and it says all the TheDevKing tutorials on scripting. He basically said, watch all my videos, which is a W. Then this kid over here made a video, said he learned how to code in 7 days, and also completed my entire series and learned how to script in a way from my videos. And just the fact I could help so many people really makes me want to upload on this channel again. I'm not sure if I'm probably doing much tutorial type content, although I might need to make another series soon enough because this old series is quite old, bro. It's from 7 years ago. Oh my gosh. And listen to how I sound, bro. I sound so young.
TheDevKing here. I know my name is kind of cheesy, but I hope you guys enjoy the name actually. But anyways, this is TheDevKing here.
Anyways, okay, we're not gonna watch that obviously, but dang, listen to how I sound. This was 2018. I was 14 in these videos, bro. I'm obviously so glad I made them because I helped so many people learn how to code and learn how to script, which is awesome. I also went to events like RDC, which is like a physical Roblox developers conference, and I met people there who said they wouldn't have came to that conference if they didn't learn how to script off my videos. And like I said, it's just so inspiring to know that I could help people learn how to do a cool skill and also help them make money. Like a lot of people on Roblox make a living off of Roblox, and a lot of people on Roblox make well above a living. They make a lot of extra money. So like I said, I want to be able to help with that once again. And also now, even though I haven't posted on this channel in like a year, Roblox did send me something and I want to open it with you guys. I was actually specifically waiting for this video, and boys, look at this. I'll have my editor flip it around, but as you can see, it's literally a Roblox box. This looks so cool. And there's also a letter. I think it's a Halloween theme, and it says, finally, a real treat for Halloween. All right, let's see this. Anything cool in here? And how do I open this, bro? I'm gonna rip it, dude. I don't want to rip it. Oh gosh, I ripped it. And yo, okay, I think I already know what it is. It's a long card. I don't really want to read this whole thing, but basically, if I'm not mistaken, this is, come on, bro, I can't open it. How do I open this? Bro, I'm so dumb. I just struggled for so long. Okay, I got it, and yo, it's out of place. It's literally just this party pack thing. I think it's for Halloween, but yo, W Roblox, thanks for the package. Anyways, I'm making this video once and for all to say I am back. All right, the TheDevKing is back. I'm not sure if I want to use face cam or not in these videos, to be honest. Comment down below, let me know if I should. But boys, I have so many ideas. Like I said, Roblox is so much bigger than it was before, so there's so much I can do now. And please don't just comment your funny ideas, okay? I'll do some more of those, but comment the funny ideas on the funny idea videos. But anyways, boys, that's officially the end of this video. I know it probably was a lot of rambling, but I'm making this video for people who actually care, just to say I am back. And I'm sorry for leaving, okay? Rotank will probably come back as well, so if you need a game invested or you need help with the game, let me know. Anyways, boys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.